Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to get the best premium B-roll footage for Adobe Creative Suite. If you're looking for the best paid premium B-roll footage for your projects for Adobe Creative Suite, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so right now we have three websites that I'm going to show you where you can get some of the best premium B-roll footage that you can use for your projects. So, excuse me. So the first one is going to be Pond 5. And it says here, incredible stock footage, use anywhere, anytime, worry-free. Explore over 34 million clips. So they have 34 million clips. That's a lot. With worldwide distribution and simple licenses starting at $25. So this is very affordable. So yeah, so as you can see here, they even have like deals like apply code hello20 and save up to $20 on your first order, which is pretty big. 20% is huge. Buy what you want when you need it. Find the perfect shot from a selection of millions of clips shot by artists around the world. So you have clips and you have graphics too. So this is Anime Girl looks over Rainy City. Right, let's click on that. And it's a 10-second one, and it's $6 for HD, which is what you want, you know. And yeah, individual licenses, so you don't need to um, pay for a monthly subscription. You just pay for what you need. So again, a lot of really good like anime stuff here. Uh, so there are graphics, and let's explore all footage. And the good thing about this is like not a lot of websites do this, but like you can just hover your cursor, your mouse, and you're gonna see the preview for it. And as you can see here, this is the city of Portland at sunset, which is pretty, pretty scenic. This is an airplane landing. And the good thing is you can see the price too in the upper right corner. So this is $31. This is 22 bucks. Um, this is traveling in the solar system, 27 bucks. This is a graphic. Slow motion, $69. Ooh, that's pretty expensive. So I guess it's in the prerogative, I mean, of the person who's selling. Time lapse of White Lotus water lily flower opening, which is 18. That's I think they should be more expensive because this thing takes more time than this. Again, aerial established shot of Main Street, small town, 31 bucks. Officer approaches car during daytime police. So, for those crime channels, this is a good buy, 24 bucks. Oh, back of police officer's uniform jacket with 299. So there are really cheap ones and there are really expensive ones. And again, this is 119 bucks. So a lot of very, and again, this is uh, I think one of the biggest, if not the biggest, like collections of footage because 34 million. Like there, that's big. So yeah, hospital, London, uh, basketball game, ancient Greece, the Acropolis. There's so many things here. A bald eagle flying, 930. So this ranges from like affordable to like really expensive because this is almost $1,000. And again, like close up of a bald eagle. This is very hard to find. This is very hard to film. Say I mean, yeah. So that's that is on 5. So we go now to artlist.io, and with them they could start with a free first month trial. And again, there are different, different types. You have graphics, and yeah, you have just normal stuff. right? And the good thing about this is you don't need these are color graded already, unless you need something warmer or cooler, which means more yellow or more blue. Then you don't need to change anything when it comes to Artlist, because Artlist has so much good uh, stock footage that you can use. So as you can see, start for free. If you click the pricing, um, again, this is very affordable. Like this is the most popular footage and templates for 4 to 8K in video templates. 29.99, $30 a month. Uh, Includes footage, ProRes, video templates. So yeah, so you can download anything for 29.99. Going back to um the footage again, there's a lot. So like people, video theme, shot type, like there's so many things that you could look for here. And then the third and the last one, we've been here before, motion array. You could also start for free. And let's check out the pricing. This is way cheaper, 19.99, $20 a month. Unlimited downloads, license use anywhere. New assets add daily. Exclusive Adobe extension, which is, this is good. It's for Adobe Creative Suite. Professional plugins. So again, there is a lot here. And as you can discover unlimited stock video assets. Explore the best stock footage for your videos. Create professional videos with high quality clips, including everything from nature to urban shots, abstract overlays, backgrounds, and more. Each search according to theme, resolution, and popularity. Subscribe to unlock unlimited stock videos for your projects. Again, start for free. A lot of these sites will have your first month for free. And after that, I think, depending on what you're going to use it for your brand, for your business, for your YouTube channel, if you have the money for it, then it's well worth it. And again, they have a lot of filters, so like a lot of things you can look for here. Let's go to travel. Let's see what we have in travel. So this is Petra, really good historic site. There's a guy walking around an amazing street, you know. Um, and again, another backpacker, you know. So again, so many things you can do, so many things you could go to education, see what's up. It's a bit of loading. So as you can see, if you have a video about education and you have the budget to pay, again, $20 a month is very affordable, especially if you have a small, even if it's a small business, this is affordable. As you can see, so many, yeah, and it's unlimited downloads. So you can download as much as you can. So yeah, that is the best premium paid B-roll footage for Adobe Creative Suite. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next